Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for summer fun and water adventures, the BOTE Wulf Aero Inflatable Paddleboard Kit. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The BOTE Wulf Aero is an inflatable stand-up paddleboard designed for those who want to explore lakes, rivers, and calm coastal waters with ease. Crafted using Aero Ultra technology, this board strikes an impressive balance between stability, strength, and portability, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned paddlers alike. One of the standout features of the Wulf Aero is its stable 34-inch wide platform. This generous width ensures effortless balance, allowing users to feel secure while paddling. The non-slip surface provides a reliable grip, which is especially important for beginners who may still be getting used to the feel of standing on a board. Whether you're cruising along the shoreline, enjoying a leisurely paddle with family, or even engaging in some light exercise, this board supports a relaxed and secure ride. When it comes to convenience, the Wulf Aero truly shines. It comes as a complete paddleboard kit, meaning you won't have to make any additional purchases before hitting the water. The kit includes a 3-piece adjustable aluminum paddle, a coiled leash for safety, a 10-inch removable fin for improved tracking, and a hand pump for easy inflation. Plus, it comes with a durable fabric backpack that makes transport and storage a breeze. Simply inflate the board, pack up your gear, and you're ready to go. Another unique feature of the Wulf Aero is its MagnaPod accessory compatibility. This innovative design allows you to securely attach your favorite drinkware or gear, keeping your essentials close at hand while you paddle. This is a feature often found on higher-end models, making it a remarkable addition to this entry-level board. Now, let's talk about who this paddleboard is suitable for. The Wulf Aero is perfect for beginners looking to learn the ropes of stand-up paddleboarding. Its lightweight construction, weighing only 20 to 22 pounds, makes it easy to handle, even for those who may be new to the activity. However, it's also a solid option for more experienced paddlers who want a reliable board for casual outings, family adventures, or even leisurely fitness sessions. Imagine planning a peaceful day on the water with your family. You can easily inflate the Wulf Aero in just a few minutes and have everyone up and paddling in no time. Whether you're gliding across a serene lake, exploring a winding river, or enjoying a day at the beach, this board will meet your needs with its excellent stability and ease of use. If you're someone who enjoys spontaneous adventures, this paddleboard is travel-ready and easy to store. Once deflated, it packs down into a compact travel bag measuring just 38 by 18 by 12 inches, making it perfect for road trips, camping, or weekend escapes. Plus, with an inflation range of 10 to 15 psi, you can count on a durable and rigid board that's always ready for action. In summary, the BOTE Wulf Aero Inflatable Paddleboard Kit is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enjoy the water with confidence and comfort. Its beginner-friendly design, complete kit, and travel-ready features make it an easy pick for both new paddlers and experienced adventurers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to